What if I told you that in just 5 years, you could completely transform your financial life, regardless of how much money you're making right now or how much debt you're drowning in? Sounds impossible, right? That's exactly what most people think. But the truth is, building wealth is not about luck, connections, or earning a six-figure salary. It's about strategy, discipline, and mindset. And if you follow the right steps, you can go from broke and stressed to financially free. This is not some get-rich-quick scheme or hype video. This is a real step-by-step transformation roadmap that's helped thousands of people escape financial survival mode and take back control. In this video, I'll guide you through a 5-year wealth plan designed to move you from debt and zero savings to a life of financial independence. And we're going to dive into every year, every milestone, and every mindset shift you need along the way. So stick around until the end, because the last 2 years of this plan are where everything changes. Let's begin. Year 1. Stabilize. Take back control. Year 1 is all about gaining control and creating financial stability. If your money is currently a mess, this is the year to get organized and face your reality. No shame, no judgment, just truth. Start by tracking every dollar. Open your banking apps, pull up your statements, and create a simple spreadsheet or download an app like YNAB or Mint. You need to know, how much do you make, how much do you spend, and where is it all going? Most people are shocked to see how much leaks out through small, mindless expenses. That coffee here, that late-night food order, that subscription you forgot about, it adds up. The first goal is simple. Build a mini emergency fund of $1,000. This gives you breathing room when life throws curveballs. Sell unused stuff, cut discretionary spending, take on a small gig, do whatever it takes. Then review your fixed costs. Can you negotiate bills, cancel unused services, refinance expensive debt, or downsize temporarily? This year is also about learning. Commit to reading one personal finance book every 2 months. Start with The Total Money Makeover or Your Money or Your Life. Build your money IQ. And finally, define your why. Why do you want financial freedom? Is it to travel, to retire early, to help family, to sleep better at night? Write it down. Make it your compass. Year 2. Eliminate debt and automate discipline. Now that you've stabilized your finances, it's time to go after the biggest thief of wealth, consumer debt. Create a debt elimination plan. List every loan, balance, interest rate, and minimum payment. Choose the method that motivates you. Snowball, smallest balance first. For psychological wins. Avalanche, highest interest rate first. For math efficiency. Whichever you choose, automate minimum payments, then manually add extra payments to your target debt. Here's the mindset. Every dollar you use to kill debt is a dollar you free for future investing. This is the year of sacrifice. Say no to lifestyle inflation. Stay focused. Keep growing your emergency fund. Aim for 2 to 3 months of expenses by year's end. But here's the power move. Start learning a skill you can monetize. Writing, coding, sales, marketing, video editing, design. Something that increases your income earning potential outside your current job. Also, start tracking your net worth every month, even if it's negative. It's the single most important number to measure your financial health over time. You may feel like progress is slow, but this is where the internal transformation is happening. You're becoming someone who owns their financial future. Year 3. Invest and build income streams. Year 3 is where the game changes. You're out of crisis mode. Now it's time to build. Start investing consistently. Open a Roth IRA, a brokerage account, or contribute to your 401k, depending on your country and access. Again, these are just examples for educational purposes, not investment advice. Start small, 50, 100, 200s a month. The habit matters more than the amount. Consider broad index funds like the S&P 500 or total market ETFs. These offer diversification with low fees. Reinvest dividends. Stay in the game long term. Don't try to time the market. Time in the market beats timing the market every time. Simultaneously, build your first income stream outside of your job. Could be freelancing a skill, selling digital products, affiliate marketing, starting a simple YouTube or blog, print-on-demand store, reselling items online. Even $200, $300 a month is powerful. It's seed capital to reinvest, save, or accelerate debt payoffs. Start building your personal brand. Share what you're learning. Offer value online. Grow your presence. The future belongs to those who create, not just consume. Also, review your habits. Is your budget optimized? Are you tracking your goals? Are you still reading, learning, and surrounding yourself with the right influences? By the end of year 3, your money will be working for you, not against you. You'll start to feel freedom creeping in. Year 4, scale and optimize. Now that the machine is running, it's time to scale. Focus on increasing income. This could mean getting a raise or promotion, switching jobs for a 20-30% bump, scaling your side hustle into a part-time business, hiring help or automating parts of your operations. Also, maximize investments. Are you maxing out tax-advantaged accounts? Are you investing at least 20% of your total income? Can you increase your contributions by 5% this year? Look at your spending again. Are you still aligned with your goals? Or are you slipping into lifestyle creep? Upgrade only what adds true value to your life. Begin learning about asset protection. Understand insurance, life, health, disability. Consider forming an LLC if your side hustle is growing. Protect your wealth. Optimize taxes. Are you using retirement deductions? Do you track write-offs if you're self-employed? Talk to a tax pro. It could save you thousands. Network strategically. Join masterminds. Attend events. Surround yourself with other growth-minded individuals. Your circle impacts your trajectory more than you think. By year 4's end, your financial life should look completely different than it did just a few years ago. Year 5, strategize, legacy, and freedom. You've stabilized. You've eliminated debt. You've started investing. You've built income streams. Now it's time to think long-term. Create a legacy plan. Build a simple will. Name beneficiaries. Learn about estate planning, even if your net worth isn't massive yet. The wealthy think generations ahead. Clarify your goals. Is your dream financial independence at 45? A rental property empire? Full-time entrepreneurship? Helping your parents retire? Giving back through a non-profit? Craft a freedom number. How much monthly passive income would allow you to live the life you want without financial stress? Once you know your number, reverse engineer it. Begin designing your ideal week. How would you spend your time if money were no longer a stressor? Visualize it. Then build toward it. Start teaching. Share your story. Mentor someone. Launch a podcast. Post your journey online. When you teach, you reinforce your own mastery, and you inspire others. Protect your wealth. Keep insurance updated. Review your portfolio allocation. Schedule quarterly money reviews. Treat your finances like a business. Celebrate your growth. But don't stop. This is just the beginning. Closing thoughts. The 5-year wealth plan is not magic. It's math, mindset, and momentum. It works because you work it. And here's the best part. If you repeat this cycle, stabilize, eliminate debt, invest, scale, strategize, you'll compound your results beyond anything you imagined. Most people won't do this. But you're not most people. Subscribe to Wealth Expansion Club for more videos like this every single week. If this video gave you clarity, tap the like button and share it with someone who needs a roadmap. And drop a comment. What year are you in right now? Your 5-year journey to financial freedom starts with a decision, and you just made it.